Hi, today I'm for the Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here we can see media coloring, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change them we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these volume buttons. Here we can set the don't disturb mode, which here we can turn it on and turn it off to allow calls, notifications from any people, apps, to set the shadow. Also here we can see the phone ringtone. We can change them. To use the live caption we should use the switcher. If you wanna use the media player to pin it, you should use this switcher here, and to show the media recommendations, so we can see that's two switchers here. Also we can set here vibration for calls, never, always, so vibrate, then first then ring gradually. To change notification and alarm sounds we should make it here, and to turn on or off dial pad tone, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds, touch sounds and touch vibrations we should turn on or turn off all of these switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.